Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to categorize cookie consent in the WordPress GDPR plugin update. Let's begin. In this plugin, at the Cookie Consent tab, you can now add cookies with a cookies category and cookie expiry date. Here you can see the cookie type select box. Here, you can select the cookie type. Then, enter the cookie title. I am entering GDPR cookie. Next, enter the cookie description. You can describe the cookie purpose here. Next is the expiry date. Once set, the user can see the cookie expiry date at the cookie consent box. You can add multiple cookies with the category information. Now, I am adding the functional cookie, then adding one analytics cookie. Then, save the settings. Now, let's look at the preview from the user side. Here you can see the user can see this cookie consent message for access to the cookies in the browser. Here, all the cookies are shown categorically wise. Like if the cookie is necessary for this web page, it is in the necessary category. Then, this type of cookie is by default accessed. If users need to run this site, they must access this cookie. Here are functional cookies. Analytics cookies are optional cookies, and all other types of cookies help the user to have the best experience on the website. All types of cookies are optional. Users can block any type of cookie that the user does not want to store on the browser. Then, save and accept. Now, these cookies are accepted by the user. And that's it on how to categorize cookie consent in the WordPress GDPR plugin update. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.